I expected winds and I expected some craziness, but this mess in a desert with the blowing dirt and sand everywhere, this is insane. I mean, we walked out to the car looking like it had been covered everything, and we come back today from Joshua Tree and check this out. I mean, there's dust and dirt and sand even inside our clam shelter with the wind panels on. This is the road. It was clear this morning. I mean, look at this. This was all just put out last night, covered. You can't even see the, look. Whoa, there's a picnic table there.